This Porter-CABLE Nailer Overhaul Kit is a genuine factory replacement set designed specifically to bring worn framing nailers back to dependable working order. It is tailored for several popular Porter-CABLE framing nailers, including clipped head and round head models, so owners of multiple tools can often service more than one gun with the same style kit. The components are organized to refresh the internal seals and wear parts in one go, which saves time compared with hunting down individual pieces. Because it is an original manufacturer kit, the parts fit correctly without modification, reducing the chance of air leaks or performance issues after reassembly. The kit is compact and easy to store in a toolbox or on a shelf, yet includes everything needed for a thorough overhaul of the supported models. For professionals and serious do-it-yourself users, this kit offers a practical way to extend the life of their nailers and avoid the cost and downtime of replacing an entire tool.